Welcome back, Budgie Breeder One here. So today's video, I just don't know yet. I never know when I pick up the camera, but you know, I always find something to talk about. So yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm about to think of something real quick. Hold on. Hi, it's me again. I'm here to cut up carrots for my budgies because I have nothing else better to do with my life. So as you see, I'm a chef, and oh, that was dirty. And you just wanna saute them. I got that from Princess of the Frog, y'all. Princess and the Frog. The girl frog taught me how to cut up stuff because the boy was going slow. So you gotta cut like this. What's up, Doc? Oh, it's for the birds. I forgot. Okay. Okay, guys. Here's the presentation of what I'm giving them. I was gonna, you know, be ghetto and, you know, slide this off into like one of their actual bird dishes. But I said, let me stop being broke and just buy a new plate. Cause I'm not about to rinse it off and put it back in the sink and put it back in my cabinet like it was never ate off by birds. And it's nothing wrong with being ate off by birds, but you know, I just don't do that. But yeah, here we go. Oh my god, ice cream truck in the ghetto. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, as you guys know, I set my budgie self for Bachelorette, and I told you guys to vote and pick a pair. So it was a close call. I think now it's a tie or something like that, but it's too late. I already picked pair A. So everybody give it up for Ollie and Zena. I almost forgot her name. Give it up for Ollie and Zena. These guys are gonna make some amazing chicks, and I'm so happy that you guys chose my first, you know, pair that I even, you know, posted, because I was confused at what to pick, and I thought maybe not, but you know, you guys actually, you know y'all stuff and whatnot. Hello. I was trying to do a heart. That's what that was. Anyways, oh my god. So yeah, they are doing their thing, and Xena has a glow on her that she never had before. She's starting to glow more because she knows she got her a man that's gonna hold her down in the penitentiary. So I'm gonna show you guys what they've been doing. Guys, these two are like absolutely amazing together. She's been going in the next box actually, and look how dark her feathers get. She's been constantly going in the nest box, and he's been encouraging her. Is he trying to feed her? She's also getting a little egg bum. Her booty is getting big because she's about to start producing eggs very soon. So I'm super excited for them. In case you guys was wondering, this is what her nest box looked like. She threw some of the wood shavings out, and she had one little feather right there from her little butt. And I'm super excited. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was short, but guess what? I'm trying to stay consistent. So yeah, that's why I'm uploading short videos. At least I'm uploading, y'all. Leave me alone. But hopefully by the time I get back, she'll have some eggs and I can get this series on with. Also, I'm about to start taming one of my budgies and take you along on that journey. Let me just stop saying what I'm going to do and just do it like Nike. But yeah, look at him. He want to go in there so bad. You can go in there. There's no gender roles when it comes to nest boxes. I mean, you can go in one. But yeah, bye.